Forex. How much leverage should you choose? A guide to choosing the right Forex leverage. Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll explore one of the most critical aspects of Forex trading, how to choose the right leverage. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, selecting the correct leverage can make or break your trading success in the Forex market. Leverage is a powerful tool that allows you to control larger positions with a smaller amount of capital. However, it's a double-edged sword. Too much leverage can result in significant losses, while the right amount can help you manage risks and grow your account steadily. In this video, we'll cover: what is leverage in Forex trading? How leverage works in practice. The pros and cons of high versus low leverage. How to choose the right leverage based on your trading style and risk tolerance. Leverage determines how much capital you need to open a position. For example, with leverage of 1 to 100, you can control a $100,000 trade with just $1,000 of your own money. While this sounds attractive, using excessive leverage can amplify losses just as much as profits. We'll walk you through practical examples, showing how different levels of leverage can impact your trades and how you can avoid over-leveraging to protect your capital. Pushpin ready to start trading? Start trading Forex with low spreads, fast execution, and a trusted broker by opening an account using the link in the description and pinned comment below. We've partnered with one of the most reliable Forex brokers, offering flexible leverage options to suit every trader's needs. Light bulb, did you find this video helpful? If you learned something valuable from this video, don't forget to send mail, share it with fellow traders. Checkmark subscribe to our channel for more Forex tips and strategies. Have any questions or need further clarification? Drop them in the comments section, and we'll be happy to help you out. Remember, leverage can either be your best friend or your worst enemy. Use it wisely, and always prioritize risk management. Watch the full video to learn more and take your trading to the next level. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Hand waving.
Here we go. I see the light inside you, brighter than the sky.